This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're still at the eCarExpo in Oslo, Lillestrøm, and I'm just gonna get a first impression of the Volvo EX90. Sorry, there's a little bit of background the noise there from the stage, but I just have to shoot it now because I'm running out of time actually. But I don't want to stress it too hard. So, EX90, yeah. The EX30 is big brother, well actually one of the bigger brothers. Twin Performance Ultra, 6-seat, 1 million NOK, around almost 100,000 euros. So, what do we have here? Headlight washers. Let's get in the front here. Okay, it has this Volvo control over things. And then the breadcrumb collector. And yeah, well, you know, I've tested. Well, I've been in so many Chinese cars. Well, I mean, like, you know, Chinese brands. Yeah. But here, everything feels more. Well, let me close the door. Check here. It feels and looks quite premium. Oh yeah. Wait, how do you open the door? Okay. Nice premium sound on the door closing. Show mode, okay, hello. Yeah. But yeah, well, they had this open bridge design here. Wow, the thing here is huge. We have 2 USB-C there. We have plenty of space here. And then wireless charging pad there. But vertical screen. It actually looks and feels nice, but I feel like, okay, the steering wheel feels a bit hard. I mean, it's still a million NOK car. Well, Bowen Wilkins, that is probably really good sound system. Yeah. But I feel like some of the Chinese brands, they have nicer and softer and more premium interior. But okay, whatever it is, it's a Volvo after all. You know, you don't want to talk bad about Volvo. It's still a Volvo after all. Yeah. Cup holder there, right? Google-based system. Yeah. Oh, really? 650 kilometers range at 88%. Huh? What kind of universe are you in? Okay, no, but all right, that's so nice, but it has at least conventional controls here. It has a, I was about to say it has a conventional, no, it doesn't. Glove box. Okay, you actually have to press the button here to open and close the glove box. No, wait, no. I don't want to slam it. Okay, you must slam it. Yeah, well, okay, you know, the standard stuff. Yeah, okay, light controls here. Okay, but there's no glass roof that you can close. But wow, this is humongous. And you probably noticed the noise. It's actually the ventilated seat on the highest setting. Wow. Charge port is on the left side with the right side, not the right side with the wrong side. Open here. Oh wow, look at this. Hey, this kind of resembles Nio ES8, you know, the old one. How do you open it? I haven't figured out how to open it, but okay. You have this design here and the back. Okay, let me try in the front. If you get in here, wow. You know, yeah, you sit here. It's more like in a minivan, or you sit actually quite nice in here. Plenty of space, you see. Plenty of arm space here, and you can also climb in between the seats to get to the back. I have to take them up. I'm not sure if it's done manually or if you can just no, I think everything is done manually here. Little pocket there. Oh, air vents here. Oh, nice. This looks premium. The grill, speaker grill, and then let me check. Do we have? Wait. Sometimes I wonder, why can we not adjust why can't we do the controls here? The car is on, obviously. Okay, whatever. I wanted to check if we have double glazed windows. And then here we have HVAC controls here. Oh, that's useful. Oh, I think I just fired on that. Yeah. And then just tiny little controls here for adjusting the airflow. And then, okay, you have cup holder there. Which is, I guess is nice, but on the other hand, it is a bit far off. Oh, I'm a noob. But you can of course access the cup holder here. What about USB? Do we have USB here? Not sure. Oh, of course, it's like this. You put something there, which is nice, and then you do this. Okay, whatever. Okay, in the back. Wait, is this the button? No, it's a sensor there. So the button is probably. Wait. Oh, it's down here. There. Of course. It's still a Volvo. Yeah, it's still a brick. Okay. Ooh, nice. Okay, we have hooks here for securing cargo. And then the lid opens. Ah, okay, space in the there, and then here. Okay, you do everything here. Okay. You put down to press and hold. Wait, there. Ooh. Okay. But then you probably have to take the headrest yourself, and then the other side. That was left. Okay. This is weird. I press it. There. Okay. Go. Oh, and then okay. Because that chair is not fully electric, or I mean, it's not. No, it's manual. Yeah. Okay. So that's kind of clumsy. The way it works. This is also for doing something in the rear. But I think I need to move the seat manually forward. Otherwise, there wasn't enough space. So when I tried some other cars with automatic folding, they will actually adjust the fold. Yeah, but here you need to do that first, and then you can do this. So I mean, no big deal. But yeah, okay. I need to test the rear, the third row. But just show you here, when you have it in the most upright position now, then you still have some space in the back. Yeah, it's actually okay compared to, for example, Model X. I think we have roughly the same space, but Model X has a freaking deep well beneath. Here it's slightly smaller, but still fairly okay. Wait, Frunk. There is actually a Frunk here. And okay, it has an unusual shape. Many Frunks, they are kind of deep. Here is not that deep, but just wide. Well, maybe perfect for putting cables here or small backpacks. And then look, look at this washer fluid hole. I've never seen so big. You could, okay. But it is good. It has a little funnel. I wanted to fist the hole, but okay, you can't do that. Yeah, it's wow, not too bad, huh? And here's the thing. What I like about six-seater is that you can just jump in here, and then you can close the door, and then wait, it has soft close, was it? Oh, I liked soft close. Daddy Bjørn likes soft close. And then you can just climb in between the seat to get to the third row. Or you can probably just fold the seat forward also. But oh shit, this is okay. Turn on some light. Wait, are the lights already on? Okay, they're already on. Okay, it is a bit dark here, but it is cramped here. Now the front seat has okay space. The back is like this. What you can do is you can do this if you must on a long trip, and then if the other buddy over there is also doing it, or if you sit alone in the back, you can just do this. But as expected in most of these regular non minivans, you have very limited space in the third row. And then this is for the partial shaft. Actually, HVAC controls here, but in the back it feels a bit plastic-ish. Lots of hard plastic. And that seems like a USB-C. I can't really see that well. Yeah, that is USB-C. So it is dark here. At least we have okay size window. But yeah, also you can see here like this. Yeah, also USB-C on that side. But now we are basically sitting in the trunk, right? Because that's one of the securing hooks for the trunk. Space here. There is no clearance. I'm 173 centimeters. I'm rubbing into there. And you sit somewhat upright. And at least I haven't found a way to recline more. But if you recline, you eat up more space in the trunk. So, well, I mean, it works. You just need to put the short people in the back, preferably shorter than 170 centimeters. And then it should still work. But I just jump in between the seat and the middle seat. No, it's not a middle seat. It's just the middle of between the two seats. The seats, Oh, it has this feel similar to Polestar 2's seat. Some kind of, I don't know, okay, I don't know what it is. It feels like recycled plastic bottles, but they don't have that soft premium feel. It's more like a more rugged thing. So it doesn't feel super premium and soft and comfortable to sit on and rub on versus some of the Chinese cars I've seen, like Seeker and Xpeng. But okay, let me get out of here. But it is a Volvo, and many people, they prefer, you know, they have their own brand. So there you guys have it, the Volvo EX90. Eventually I should test it. Can't wait to test 1,000 kilometer challenge range test. Maybe go to Yale or Amsterdam. So yeah, just wondering, when is it ready for testing? Because I think it should be important also for the Norwegian or the European market. So that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.